When you feel sick, you feel sensitive, you need your space. Cough Check is here to give back your control. Cough Check is part of a study. They come to your home, and they will give you the tools to test yourself and your family. They will then send you a message to let you know if you have COVID-19, the flu or the common cold. So if you feel like you have a cold, the flu or COVID-like symptoms, and you live in Durban, Johannesburg or in Cape Town, send the Cough Check team a message on WhatsApp at 0728437564. Be confident in your health. Take control, test yourself.